Brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming a quick, simple, and delicious breakfast recipe. If you're from New York, you know how, bacon, egg, and cheese, that just be hitting. So today I woke up in the mood for bacon, egg, and cheese, but I'm doing it my way with my little twist on it. So we're gonna go through the ingredients that you need really quickly and get things started. Right here I have my Arnold whole grains healthy multigrain bread. You can use whatever you'd like for this. This bread is really good, but you can use white bread, you can use just regular whole wheat, you can use a bagel, whatever you'd like, but this is what I'm using today. I have some applewood smoked bacon here. I have some pepper jack cheese. You can use American cheese or whatever you'd like, but like I said, this is my own little twist on this today. I have 2 eggs right here, salt and pepper, and some butter. This is literally all you're gonna need. If you want to see the finished sandwich, then definitely keep on watching. So when it comes to cooking breakfast stuff, rule of thumb is the eggs always go last. So the first thing we're gonna get started on is the bacon. So right here I have my frying pan, skillet, whatever you want to call it. I have it getting hot. It's on medium heat right now, so I'm about to just allow it to get a little bit hot, maybe about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. So since we're frying the bacon first, we only need a little bit of butter, so like that amount. And you hear that sizzle, then you know it's definitely heated right now. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the stove down. Since it's a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, we need a decent amount of bacon in here. So we're just gonna allow the bacon to get crisp. Remember when I made my pancakes, egg, sausage, and bacon video? Like I said before in that video, this is all to your desired preference, how crispy you want your bacon. I like my bacon crispy as hell, so I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on this side, and then I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So once the bacon is done, I'm just gonna put it on some paper towels. So that's the bacon. Right here I have 3 slices of pepper jack cheese, and I have my 2 slices of bread. So what I'm doing right now is just taking some butter, and I'm gonna butter the top of each slice of bread. So once I've finished buttering each slice of bread, what I'm gonna do is just add it to the frying pan. So I just added 1 slice of bread to the frying pan. Just gonna get it a little bit toasty. So like that is good. I'm gonna repeat the same process with the other one. That's fine. Now I'm taking my pepper jack cheese and I'm just gonna add it to the top of the bread. So I have 2 slices here, and I'm just gonna allow that to just keep going. The stove right now is on low heat because I do not want the bread to start burning, so low heat for this part. So while the cheese is melting on the bread, I'm just gonna make the eggs now. So I'm just taking some butter. I'm just gonna allow it to melt. Once the butter is completely melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my 2 eggs. I already removed the eye and everything like how I showed in my last breakfast video. I'm not scrambling my eggs or nothing. I'm just gonna allow it to fry. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. So what I'm gonna do right now is kind of separate the egg. Flip a half over so it could get done. If you find your egg is still too soft or too runny, then you're just gonna allow it to just fry and get a little bit more hard. And then once you can flip it over to the other side, you're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just flip this over. I don't want my yolk to be runny, so what I'm gonna do is just press down to get everything fried hard. So my egg is done frying, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Y'all remember how I only had one slice of pepper jack cheese left? I went ahead and just added it to the other slice of bread. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my eggs that I just fried, one of them, add it to the top, add 2 pieces of bacon, then I'm adding the other egg, add in my other 2 pieces of bacon, and then the pepper jack cheese that I was melting earlier on the other slice of bread, I'm gonna just cover it with that. Put it on medium heat to kind of get everything nice and melted and hot. So this is how our sandwich looks right now. You could just eat it like that, but I'm gonna actually go ahead and just give it a cut to make 2 halves of a sandwich. So I need to work on my cutting skills, but we just gonna roll with this today. So here we have it. We have our bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. I love avocados, so I'm about to just cut up a few slices of avocado and have it with this. So here we have everything, guys. I have my bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, some avocado, and some strawberries, of course, because y'all know I love me some strawberries. So I'm about to go ahead and eat because, yeah, like I said, I'm hungry and I don't want the sandwich to get cold. So if you guys enjoyed this breakfast video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Be sure to turn on the notification bell to get post notifications whenever I post something new. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then definitely go ahead and do that. As always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So delicious.